Here's a new Ratchet client glitch. It's simple and you probably won't care about it though. Okay, some areas you get a really weird camera angle. Watch. Okay, I think you have to charge it. See, you're like in second person mode. Or whatever. Trying to move the camera is really hard. And you can even watch how cheesy Ratchet's throw is. Look at his arm.
You can take the shuttle to the battle dome's control level.
Grand strikes are really confusing. Same with charge booting. I mean when you hit your head, see? Jumping's also really confusing. Here's something stupid. Ouch. And somehow I fixed the camera angle. I was about to show how you fix the camera angle. Here's one way. Just die in a different spot. As you can see here. Okay, time to show you not really a glitch. Okay, I kind of forgot how to do this, but you can get on top of that computer. And it's pretty there. And then sometimes you can look at yourself in the life. I don't know how to get on top of the tall, big, flat screen computer on this one. But I think I learned how to do it on this one. Maybe not. Okay then. Whatever, anyway. Yeah. I didn't care about those glitches. Oops. See ya.